Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology to explore the most powerful AI tools that are transforming the way we live, work, and create. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get started. Some text goes here. Artificial intelligence has come a long way, and in 2024, the tools we have at our fingertips are nothing short of extraordinary. Let's kick things off with our first game changer. Some text goes here. First up, we have ChatGPT, your ultimate AI assistant. From brainstorming creative ideas to drafting emails, coding, and even writing scripts like this one, ChatGPT is here to help you work smarter, not harder. It's like having a personal genius on speed dial. What makes ChatGPT so powerful? Its ability to understand context, provide detailed responses, and even adapt to your tone. Need a joke? It's got you. Stuck on a math problem? No worries. Want to draft a professional pitch? Consider it done. Some text goes here. Next on the list is Canva's AI design tools. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a total newbie, Canva's AI features can turn your ideas into stunning visuals in minutes. Some text goes here. Some text goes here. From generating templates to resizing images and even creating unique art, Canva's AI takes the guesswork out of design. Perfect for social media, presentations, and more. Some text goes here. Some text goes here. And for all the video creators out there, meet Runway ML. This tool uses AI to make video editing faster and easier than ever. Remove backgrounds, generate special effects, and even edit scenes with just a few clicks. Some text goes here. It's like having a Hollywood-level editing suite right on your desktop. Imagine the possibilities. Some text goes here. For the developers watching, Tabnun is a must-have. This AI-powered code assistant speeds up your workflow by predicting and completing code as you type. Some text goes here. Some text goes here. With Tabnun, you can focus on solving problems instead of writing boilerplate code. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Some text goes here. Some text goes here. Finally, let's talk about Midjourney, an AI that turns your imagination into reality. Describe your vision and watch as Midjourney generates breathtaking, unique art pieces. Some text goes here. Whether you're a professional artist or just someone looking for creative inspiration, this tool is a game changer. And there you have it, 5 powerful AI tools that are shaping the future and empowering creators, innovators, and dreamers everywhere. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech deep dives. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.